Namaste students. Today's concept is computational thinking for grade 7. Chapter 1, large numbers around us. Here we have our first question. X is a 6-digit number formed using exactly 3 different digits. One of the digit appears once, another appears twice, and the third appears 3 times. When 2 lakhs are added to X, the resulting number Y is still a 6-digit number. What is the highest possible value of Y? Okay, so here X is the initial number which is of 6-digit number. Let's consider a 6-digit number. And as it is mentioned here, when 2 lakhs are added to X, if I add 2 lakhs to this, still it is a 6-digit number. Great. So if it has to be 6-digit, then the largest number in the lakhs place would be 7. So 7 plus 2 is 9, which is still a 6-digit number. If in case I add 8 over here, 8 plus 2 is 10, which is going to be a 7-digit number. So let's fix 7-digit number. Great. And the next concept is that there are 3 numbers. So one of the number is 7, and I need 2 more numbers where one of them can be repeated twice and the other one can be repeated thrice. So as you see here, one digit appears once, another appears twice, and the third appears 3 times. And what they have asked for is the highest possible value of Y. If the Y has to be highest value, obviously it's going to be 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. The possible highest value, 6-digit value. Okay, so here since I have used 7 once, let us use the other greatest values possible. So I will use 9 3 times and 8 2 times. So the possible highest value of Y would be 8 8 9 9 9, and 7 plus 2 is another 9. So it's going to be 9,99,988, which is option C. Okay, let's move on to our next question. What is the product of all numbers on a telephone dial pad? Okay, I guess one of the easiest question. Let's first imagine the dial pad of a phone. So as you see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all single digit numbers. Great, and they have asked for product. So multiplying all these numbers, obviously it would be 0. So I go with none of these. The next question is, Sam forms 2 different 6-digit numbers, X and Y, using digits 0 to 9. Okay, without any repetitions. Exactly 2 digits are common between X and Y. Exactly 2 digits are common between X and Y. Okay, the digit 9 appears in the same position in both the numbers. Great. We have a clue. There are 2 digits in common. Let me consider X and Y, 2 numbers. 9 appears in the same position. So 9 is common. And Y ends with 0. Y ends with 0. So let me write a 0 over there in the Y. Has only one even digit. Sounds great. Only one even digit. So 0 is done. Now, the other places can be filled with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, and its digits are arranged in descending order. Sounds good. So this is going to be 9, 7, 5, 3 and 1. So I have the number y, and since 9 is in the same place, as you see, 9 digit 9 appears in the same position. So let us give 9 the first digit. Okay, then 6 is present in x. Okay, and the number of even digits on its left is equal to the number of digits on its right. Okay, great. So let me say, if I give 6 over here an even number, here an even number, then I'll have to give you two odd numbers. In that case, that will contradict the given condition. If there are two odd numbers, let me say like 5 and 7. 5 is repeated, 7 is repeated, 9 is repeated. So three numbers are repeated. But they have asked only two numbers to be repeated, so I can't use odd numbers in this place. Obviously, it should be even number. So what shall we do is, let's write 6 in the middle here so that I can have two even numbers, year 1 and year 1. So I can have two even numbers. Okay. Okay, then 6, I have placed 6 in the right position, 9 in the right position, and other things what they have given is, okay, if x is the largest possible number, what is the difference between x and y? Okay, they have asked you to find the difference between x and y. And as you see the options, all the numbers are ending with 0. So obviously, the last digit of the number should be 0. Only then 0 minus 0 is 0. And here I have an even number, another even number, another even number. I need three more even numbers, and they have asked you for the largest possible number of x, isn't it? X is the largest possible number. X is the largest possible number. Obviously, then it should be like the highest digit here. I'll take it as 8. And the next digit is 7. I can't take as it is used in the next number. So let me say 8 is done, 6 is already done, so I'll go with 4. Then here I go with 2. So the largest possible x value is given, that's 984620. And now let's find the difference. 0 minus 0 is 0, 2 minus 1 is 1, 6 minus 3 is 3, and here it's not possible. Let me go with this. So it's gonna be 9009310. Option A is the right answer. Hope we have the answer for the given question. Okay, here we move on to the next question. Okay, the next question is as on the screen. If each rows follow the same theme, what will come in place of question mark? So let's understand the pattern here. Here they have mentioned the shaded circle's value is less than or equal to 7. So let me take 7, replace the shaded regions with 7, and the number is 1,78,727. On the other side it is 1,77,000. Okay, here it's 77,000 and here we have 78,000. Obviously this is correct. The expression, given expression is correct. The symbol is correct. But if in case I try with 8, replacing the shaded regions with 8, as you see, we have 1,88,000. On the other side, it is still 1,88,000, and it is 828 on the left side, and it's the same on the right side. So the symbol used is wrong. Actually, the numbers are equal if in case I replace the shaded region with 8. Okay, I get the pattern. If the shaded regions are replaced with the given numbers, the symbols or the expressions are right, correct. Okay, in that case, what should the shaded regions be replaced with so that the number is smaller than the number on the left is smaller than from the number on the right? Okay, let me check with 9. If I take 9, it's gonna be 9,95,000. On the other side, it is 9,59,000. So let me check with 7. Oh, still the expression is wrong, as it is 7,75,000. On the other side, it is 7,57,000. Okay, let's check with 6. Okay, it is 6,65,000, but this is 56,000. Still, it is wrong. And now let's check with 5. Okay, it's 5,55,000. On the other side, it is still the same, 5,55,000. Let's check the next number. It is 65, and this would be 605. So yes, the expression is true if the shaded region is 5 or less than 5. So I go with option C. Great. And the next question, what will come in place of question mark? Great. Here as you see, we have crore and RE. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Okay. Here we have million, and here something ION. We have 3 zeros. Oh, wait a minute. First, let us note the number crore. Okay, million, thousand, billion, lakh. And let's relate this with the answers. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Let me cancel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros, and 2 zeros are left. Okay, here 3 zeros are there. Let me cancel it, and 3 zeros are left. And here 2 zeros, 1 zero is left. Oh, wait a minute, 1 zero and 1 letter. 3 zeros, 3 letter. 2 zeros, 2 letter. Okay, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Let me cancel 4 zeros. Then obviously there are 5 zeros left, which is 5 letter. Okay, in that case there are 2 letters. Let us cancel 2 letters. Then 3 zeros would be left out. And I go with option C. Great. Yes, let's meet in the next session with some more questions. Thank you.